Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Code with Rita. So, if you want to implement smooth scrolling to a web page, here you are at the right place. I have created this code. I've written this code where I have a nav area, I have a navigation bar here, and I have several sections here. Section regarding about, context, services, portfolio, and footer. Let me show you how. So it seems like it, and we can navigate through it regarding ID, and this ID I have mentioned in href attribute, footer, services. When we click on about, will be on about section, but it is not smooth as it should be, so we can implement that functionality also with a single line of code. Yes, you heard right, with a single line of code. I'll be writing style here, and after that I'll be writing HTML, and then I've selected the HTML tag, and I'll be implementing smooth scroll behavior smooth. When I'll set scroll behavior to smooth, let me show you what will happen. Now, when I click on footer, just like it will scroll down smoothly to footer, contact, services, portfolio, and to about as well. That is pretty much good. So, if you want to know that how I've attached this section to these link, do watch my video which I have made earlier. I'll be giving that link in the description. Also, it will be showing on the screen. You can just view that. If you like this video, thumbs up. Thanks for watching this video.